So what we're going to do is we're going to take this wet rag and wipe down the glass. We're going to then use the degreaser to spray the glass. Use the steel wool to scrub the glass. And then we're going to use the wet rag to wipe down the glass again. Use the dry rag to dry everything. I'm going to do that on the other side as well. And these little pivot pieces for the glass that go right here, we're going to use Mother's aluminum shine and polish to polish up these pieces. So, let's get going. So it is still pitted, and there are little things.
It's okay. It's not going to be perfect. Not for a 60-year-old car.
Okay, so let us install this now. So, these are pivot washers that are going to be used on the pivot that we just polished up, along with this. So,
Polish that's good. I'll probably use the sand. Or wire brushed. Move the glass around, make sure it's seated in this well. Actually, the glass probably needs to scoot forward. The whole thing.
So we gotta take this off and scoot this forward right here.
We just need to loosen this up.
Oh, and then push it
And
forward.
hopefully we can just
Push it forward.
push the glass forward. Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah.
See?
We already did it.
So, why don't you go ahead and tighten up that pivot now? So this is what I was talking about online. Where you see this little lip right here? Okay, let me show you. So you open this up.
Yeah, it comes out.
You see this right here?
Yeah.
This glass is supposed to go right up against this.
So you gotta cut that piece out.
But when you go like this, that plastic piece is preventing it from closing all the way. And we're still not aligned up here either.
So
But we'll have to trim that piece down there so that the glass can close.
okay.
And we'll still need to play around with the glass a little bit so it can fit in there. Let's see. First.
Do I need to loosen the pivot?
Yeah, why don't you go ahead and loosen that a bit. Okay, why don't you go ahead and tighten it now. Okay.
So does it line up? Oh, it lines up better now.
Yep.
So you also gotta cut this piece out.
Yes. So I've got a ruler and a razor blade. All right. And basically what we've got to do so it's about half of it needs to come off. And this might be a little too tight. We might need to loosen that up. Oh yeah, that moves a lot better. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So then this, it's kind of tricky.
yeah, so you can't set it on the oven.
All right.
Jeez,
So-
how am I gonna do this?
So because this is going to take some precise cutting,
You do it. Because I do not have precise cutting.
come over here and
Hold it.
hold that. Oh geez, now I wonder.
How?
fingers in there? Why are your fingers in there?
I don't think it's.
The fat frame closed that changed the position of the pivot stuff. Hold that up.
Do I have to smash my fingers?
No.
Okay. That's okay.
Okay. So this piece right here is too long for the glass to close, so we're going to cut about half of that off. Or at least try. I had to do the same thing on the other side. I'm just using a ruler and a razor, and we'll see how it goes. Doing some simple cut, not pressing super hard. Let's see how well we've done. Yeah, so that seems like it's cutting it pretty well. Let's see if I can finish that up.
We're close.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll tell you, if I did this, it would have come out looking like a jigsaw puzzle.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
All right. So we removed about half of that.
Let's see how this closes now.
Gonna have to line it up again.
Yeah, I got the line. Snap.
Let's try this again. So the reason it didn't line up is because this piece wasn't down all the way. So we'll try it again. There's your screwdriver. Undo that pivot. Okay, loosened.
Yep.
Alright, so this piece is down all the way. I'm pushing the glass forward.
The glass was coming out though.
What?
Glass was coming out.
Yeah, it's kind of a dance. Right, tighten down that pivot.
Hey.
Let's see how it looks on the other side. Yeah, see?
Yeah, that's good.
Yep, so the whole point is to seal it on those sides.
And now
This doesn't look super sealed right here. Might need to shrink that with a little bit of heat, but for the most part,
It's done.
yeah,
Finally.
that looks good.
Yay.
So it took most of the afternoon, but finally got this installed. And now it's time to put it in the car.
Yeah. Good thing we did this not in the summer.
You got the truth.